So good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 7, I think it is. Today is just, well, it's work, but actually I'm so excited because I'm gonna meet my training buddy. She lives in another city, so when she's working from home she's not coming to my town, and today she's coming into work, so we should see each other. I'm gonna go for a lunch walk and it would be so much fun to see her. I miss her so much. So that's the big thing today. Otherwise, we are doing some IKEA words, you know. We're gonna learn everything about IKEA and how to pronounce the words. So I got quite a few, and we're gonna come to that in a bit. But first I will continue to get ready and so let's see, it's 7:20 and hubby's already on his way to work. Actually he was walking today, so it will take him about 30 minutes to get to work. Me, I'm gonna take Lily to school in about 40-50 minutes, and now I'm gonna get help Elvira with her hair. She's gonna wash it, and we need to be two to like tangle teaser up her hair. So Lily, hi.
Hey.
Are you ready for number 7? I got this stone and I have no clue what this is. So if you know, please let me know. Really tiny. Okay, let's go to the next one. Spring Love. This is body mist. Come on Lily. Come on Lily. Let's go open the coffee calendar. I really got to struggle yesterday. That didn't help me. Oh, you did it! Let's see what we got. We got number 11. Or Noir. So excited right now. I'm going to meet my training friend. So let's go. So here we are. Whee! Finally. No corona distance. Okay.
Sorry.
So like this.
Watch out for the water.
Woohoo! So funny. Oh.
Alla så bara plopp.
Här får man akta sig och sen bara Oh my god, I just got back from my lunch walk with my friend, and I'm so filled with energy, and I open my... Look at this! It says from a unicorn. Ah, so excited. What can it be? Look at this. To Linda. From a unicorn. Oh, so cute. So here they are, one for Lily and one for me, and they are both from a unicorn. Oh, so excited. So okay, I'm really tired right now. I just finished work and it's 6 o'clock in the evening. You know the little packages that came? It was this, and it said for Linda from a unicorn, and it was this one. And then Lily got one package as well, and there was some stuff so she can entertain herself while I'm working, and it was from a super dear friend and colleague of mine. So this is our little thing with unicorns. And then Lily, she said, well, Lily just seems to be so bored when we're having meetings, because we're sitting in a Teams meeting and Lily will come in now. Wow, hello, hello. So she got little entertainment for her, so I'm so happy for that. So the word of the day, let's do that. This was not planned like this, because I didn't know, of course, that I should get this. But do you know what the word of the day is? It's unicorn. And unicorn in Swedish is enhörning. So the word of the day is enhörning. And I'm so happy for the words that you are bringing to us. Now we have Hebrew, we have German, we have English, and we have Flemish, maybe you say. So really variety of words. Go check down in the description box. So we are building ourselves a really nice little like dictionary. So maybe I should do a little dictionary after Vlogmas so we can have it, and then we can remember it. I can do like a printable and you can also keep it. But I don't know. Do you think that would be a fun idea? Like we can remember each other? Yeah. Let's see about that. Now to the day. The words. I got some ideas down below. And then I also got some on Instagram, because I asked in my stories as well. And yeah, let's go. First up we have köttbullar, and köttbullar is meatballs. So it's not a product, but it's something you can get for a very good price on IKEA. So köttbullar. Next up is this one is my my own word I chose, because I've seen many YouTubers have a sofa that you can make to a bed, and it's called friheten. So I thought it was pretty nice to include that one as well. Then we have a really famous little sofa that is really cheap, and it's called Klippan. Next up, like for Christmas you have a lot of candles and stuff, and these are long candles and they are called jubla. Then we have another candle, and that's a little like more block candles, and that is called Hemsjö. So Hemsjö. Then we have the famous bookshelves like these, and these are the Billy, and in Swedish we say Billy, so it's pretty much the same word. Next up we have some other shelves that many people have, and they are called Bestå. So, and now we have some YouTube words, and that are Noxhult. I don't know what product that is, but it's Noxhult. And the last word I got was Mojna. And you know, Mojna is like the wind is slowing down and it become quite calm. That's Mojna. So that's a oh, and of course IKEA. IKEA is IKEA. So we say IKEA. And that was, let me see. So actually I got the inspiration for this video by Becky Lou 77, and she asked me how to pronounce IKEA. So that made me thinking IKEA have all kind of words with letters you don't even have in some different countries. So I thought it would be so much fun to just name drop some. So thank you, Becky. And I hope you really enjoy this, and all of you that you enjoyed it. So let's say it together, IKEA. That is how we say it in Sweden. So with that word, with those words, let's, oh no, my telephone is going crazy. Excuse me. So with these words I will end this vlog right now. We have the word of the day. We have been talking about IKEA. You got to meet my friend, and you saw my little surprise gift. Yay. I must say I really have the most beautiful friends. I love them to death. They are so thoughtful, and I love spending time with them. And I'm also so grateful for you all, because you are like my friends as well. So really happy for our little community here. And if you're new here, haven't you subscribed, please do click that little notification bell so you will be notified when a new video is coming up. And yeah, let's do this tomorrow as well, don't you think? So my throat is just cracking up. So I just want to say I hope I will see you tomorrow, and have a fabulous day, night or evening, wherever you are. And remember, I love you. Bye bye. Bye bye.